Hello, I am Annett Dehmel. I'm from Berlin in Germany. I am the manufacturer of the STROMTANK here. It is the new independent power source and the only one in the world which makes really clear, pure, undisturbed power for your hi-fi setup at home. I am the founder of the company together with our chief engineer, Mr. Miletsky. He is in the audio industry for more than 50 years. He is an old audio passion guy. He is the founder of MBL, the famous loudspeaker called Radialstrahler. He designed this type of loudspeaker for more than 40 years ago, and it is still a beautiful, famous loudspeaker. Yeah, and after many years of designing loudspeakers and amplifiers and electronics for the audio industry, our chief engineer, Mr. Miletsky, decided to work on the basic for top perfect quality. And that means you have to care about the source for audio systems. And the source means the power. So that was the hour where Mr. Miletsky born the STROMTANK. It is an independent power source which contains high sophisticated battery pack with lithium iron phosphate batteries. It is state-of-the-art technology, the most modern technology for batteries in the world at the moment. And you can see here our model called STROMTANK S2500. It has a storage capacity of 2500 watt hours. That means you can listen to music between 4 to 6 hours depending on your hi-fi setup without any interruption. So we see now here the front meter illuminated in a blue mode. That shows you that this unit is still connected with the grid. This mode is needed for charging the batteries when it is connected to the grid. Yeah. And you can also listen to music in this mode. That's fine. Especially when it is in charging mode or when you have really big power for this model, we recommend to use this type of model for the front-end sources, means preamplifiers and DC-AC converter, for instance, yes, DA converters, sorry. Yeah, and now we have the chance to switch the illumination by pushing this button into a green illumination, and now the unit and your hi-fi setup is totally disconnected from the grid. Now it operates only from the batteries here inside. We have also a high sophisticated DC-AC converter here inside, which is quite unique in the world, and this operates all together to deliver the pure clean sound, and you can hear the kind of quality which each manufacturer of your hi-fi setup has designed for. So if you care about the source, and the STROMTANK delivers in this green mode a pure and stable frequency and voltage at every time of the day, and you have the top quality at every time of the day. So you don't have to wait until midnight anymore when there is less action in the power grid, because when you remember, all your equipment, technical equipment at home is connected to the same power grid, means your refrigerator, your microwave. You can see here the state of charge. When all these lights are lighting, we have a state of charge of 100%. So the unit is now fully charged, and it goes down step by step. And when only the last one light is blinking, then the STROMTANK changes automatically back to the charge mode to to protect the batteries here inside, that they can't go to under voltage status. This is very important for the lifetime of the batteries. We really care about this point because we want to make sure that you have fun with this STROMTANK for 20 and more years. That's why we use this state-of-the-art technology. That means we have a lifetime of more than 6,000 cycles here. That means when you charge the STROMTANK and discharge it one day, one time, means you have a lifetime of more than 20 years. And after these 20 years, this kind of technology of batteries here have still a capacity of 80%. That means you don't have to change the batteries. No, they just have a little bit less capacity inside, 80%. So that means you can have fun with the STROMTANK for many, many years and have this pure, good, perfect quality you ever dreamed of. So the STROMTANK, a really high-end product designed for really high-end audio components with hand-picked materials, handmade in our manufactory in Berlin, in Germany. The heart of our STROMTANK is the management system, the battery management system. Without this system, it doesn't work. So this battery management system we designed together with a very famous university in Germany called the Fraunhofer Institute. It is like the MIT in the USA as a comparison. And this system cares for the healthy and for the lifespan of the batteries, because you have to manage the temperature, the voltage, the current of each single cell here inside of this tank. And this battery management keeps every battery in the same level, and that makes sure we have a long lifetime and a perfect quality for your sound. Imagine of a car as a comparison for the STROMTANK to give you the idea. We have here the hi-fi pendant to a German car, it's the Porsche. So the STROMTANK is the Porsche of the hi-fi industry. And our chief engineer, Mr. Miletsky, he likes to make races on a racing track. He is driving a Porsche, and in former times he was also a professional rally driver, so he knows all about that, and he is a fan of Porsche. And so you can say really from the point of the quality, the STROMTANK is a German Porsche of the hi-fi industry, the high-end hi-fi industry. Yeah, and myself, I also have a Porsche at home and I like to drive it, and I will tell you about my best speed limit. That was 300 kilometers an hour on a German highway. That's no problem, but you have to be very careful when you drive 300 kilometers an hour. Yeah. So here with our STROMTANK, really made in Germany, the best product, the best quality in the world, only for you, and it really is the only one in the world which is really isolated from the grid to give you the best power for your audio setup. So we want to make sure to produce the best quality for your listening pleasure. Trust us, we don't only say made in Germany, we live made in Germany. Thank you.